Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CapCut on your iPhone. Download CapCut on your iPhone for easy video editing wherever you are. It's a simple and powerful tool for unleashing your creative side on the go. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the App Store on your iPhone and tap to open up. Once the App Store opens up on the screen, in the search bar at the top, type in CapCut and tap on Search button from the keyboard. Now find the CapCut app in the search results. Tap on it to open the app page. Once you're on the CapCut app page, you'll see a button that says Get or has a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it to start the installation. Your iPhone may ask you to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password to confirm the installation. Go ahead and do that. It's just to make sure you're the one installing the app. It'll take a little bit to download and install CapCut. Once it's done, you'll see the Open button. Tap on it to open the app. And there you have it. Now that you've learned how to install CapCut on your iPhone, you're all set to explore the world of mobile video editing.
If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.